An easy wall decor that you can do, I'm using items from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using cork, but you can get cork from the Dollar Tree too. But I just wanted to show you, this is real easy to use, the caulking gun. It has a little piece on the side that you can cut it open. Mine was already open though. I just wanted to show you. And then you just load it up and it's ready to go. I'm using 3 different plates. They are all from the Dollar Tree. So we have the clear one, we have the charger plate, and just a plastic plate. And then I'm just going to do a little circle design with the cork. You can do this fuller. You can do this the way that I did it. You can do this in so many different ways. I did choose 3 different size plates so that it would have like a cute little look to it. But this is real simple and real easy. You just fill it in the circle. And you can go back and fill in any gaps if you feel like you want it fuller. And then I went to the outside of it, filled it into the edge, and then I just did the same thing with all of the rest of the pieces. Once that dried, I'm just going to put something on the back to be able to hang it. This is real easy, real simple. I'm using rope from the Dollar Tree and a lot of hot glue. This is how I basically hang everything. I just put a dab of hot glue, put the piece down, and then put a lot over it to cover it up, and then let it dry. And then you have a secure hook. Like I said, I use this for mostly everything, and everything is still standing. Then you'll pick your paint. I did 1 piece gold, and then I did the other 2 in black paint. You're going to have to want to get in there to all the cracks and stuff, because you might have some pieces that aren't covered because of the creases and stuff. And then once that dries, then it is ready to hang, and this is how mine came out.